Welcome to InvestoSphere, the place where your journey toward financial freedom begins. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into one of the most powerful platforms for freelancers in 2025, Upwork. And here's the twist. You don't need a flashy portfolio or years of experience to get started. That's right. We'll break down how you can sell your skills on Upwork, even if you're starting from scratch. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, someone with a full-time job looking to earn extra income, or an aspiring entrepreneur building your online career, this video is crafted just for you. We're not just talking basics. You'll learn real strategies that people use right now to land their first clients, earn consistent income, and grow a long-term freelancing business on Upwork, even with zero portfolio. So, stick around till the end, because we're going to unlock everything step by step. Let's dive in. Number 1. Sell your skills on Upwork. No portfolio needed. What is Upwork? Why Upwork is one of the top freelancing platforms globally. The rise of the freelance economy in the US and globally. Why 2025 is the best time to start freelancing. Common misconceptions about Upwork and why they hold people back. Number 2. Choosing the right skill to sell. Identifying high-demand skills on Upwork. Don't have a skill yet? No problem. Here are easy-to-learn skills that pay well, e.g., transcription, virtual assistant, data entry, customer service, social media management. Focus on microservices if you're a beginner. Matching your interests with market demand. Number 3. Creating an Upwork account the right way. Step-by-step guide to setting up your profile. How to write a compelling Upwork bio without experience. Profile picture and why it matters. Setting your rates strategically. Choosing your categories and tags. Number 4. How to stand out without a portfolio. Create sample work, even if it's not for a client. Use case studies or hypothetical projects. Volunteer or offer free sample to one client in return for review only once. How to craft a killer project description. Use your cover letter to highlight your thought process. Number 5. Mastering the art of proposals. How Upwork proposals work. The structure of a winning proposal. Using the client's job post to your advantage. The power of personalization and relevance. Call to actions that actually work. Number 6. First jobs that are easy to win. What types of jobs should beginners apply for? Why small, one-time gigs are your best friends? The importance of reviews in building momentum. Red flags, which jobs to avoid. How to deliver more than what's expected. Number 7, building credibility and gaining reviews. How to ask for feedback professionally. The role of consistent communication. Why over-delivering works wonders. How to turn one job into ongoing work. Number 8, managing clients and projects. Setting boundaries and expectations early. Time tracking and work diary basics. Staying organized with deadlines. How to handle difficult clients diplomatically. Knowing when to walk away. Number 9, scaling your freelance business. How to go from one client to many. Building your niche and becoming an expert. Creating Upwork specialized profiles. Outsourcing small tasks to scale. Passive income options within freelancing, selling templates, online courses, etc. Number 10, tips to stay consistent and motivated. Handling rejection and dry spells. Setting daily goals and routines. Joining freelancer communities for support. Celebrating small wins. How to keep learning and evolving. So there you have it. Everything you need to get started on Upwork, even if you have no experience and no portfolio. The truth is, the hardest part is just getting started. And once you do, every small win compounds. Every project, every message, every review builds your digital career brick by brick. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe to InvestoSphere. This channel is all about turning your skills and time into real, sustainable income. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below letting us know. What skill are you thinking of selling on Upwork? And now, a few questions for you. What's stopping you from starting today? Which skill do you feel confident selling? Have you ever tried freelancing before? If yes, what was your biggest lesson? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.